x-axis at 3, 0 and having an intercept of length 2 root 7 on positive y-axis, is number 1 x square plus y square minus 6x plus 8y plus 9 is equal to 0. Number 2 x square plus y square minus 6x minus 8y plus 9 is equal to 0. 3 x square plus y square minus 6x plus 7y plus 9 equal to 0. 4 x square plus y square minus 6x minus 7y plus 9 is equal to 0. Okay. So, that means you are given a circle which makes an intercept of length 2 root 7. So, this length is 2 root 7 and touching the x-axis at 3, 0. So, this is the center. C is equal to 3, R, the center, and you can have that is this is R, and you know that this is 3 and this is root 7. Now, from the picture, see C is C3R, C3 comma R is the center where R is the radius, and you know that draw CM perpendicular to the intercept on the y-axis, so that what you get is this one. This is root 7 and this is root 7, and you are given that this is equal to this nut. So that CM is equal to 3. From the figure you can see that it's a rectangle. CM is equal to 3. So, therefore, from the right angle triangle property, you will get R square is equal to 3 square plus 7. 3 square plus 7. So that R is equal to 4. Okay. So, center is equal to 3, 4 and radius and radius 4 implies the circle equation. The circle is x minus 3 whole square plus y minus 4 whole square is equal to 4 square. So, that implies x square plus y square minus 6x minus 8y plus 9 is equal to 0. Plus 4 square will cancel, plus 9 is equal to 0. So, the correct option is option number 2. Equation of a common tangent to the circles x square plus y square is equal to 4 and x minus 3 whole square plus y square is equal to 1 is 1. X is equal to 4, 2, y is equal to 2, 3, x plus root 3y is equal to 4 and 4, x minus 2 root y is equal to 4. Is equal to 6. Now, you know that for any circle with center x1, y1, a line touches circle means the distance of the perpendicular distance drawn from the center onto the line must be equal to the radius of the circle. And you know that a line touches a circle if and only if its distance from the center is equal to the radius. So, this we know, all of you, we have proved also. Now, you know that y is equal to mx plus c touches the circle x square plus y square is equal to a square if and only if c square is equal to a square into 1 plus m square. Now, let y is equal to mx plus c touches x square plus y square is equal to 4. So, here a is equal to 2, that is implies c square is equal to a square means 4 into 1 plus m square. We can take c is equal to 2 into root over 1 plus m square. C is equal to 2 into root over 1 plus m square. This line y is equal to mx plus 2 into root of 1 plus m square also touches the circle x minus 3 whole square plus y square is equal to 1 if and only if 3m plus 2 into square root of 1 plus m square into root over 1 plus m square or 3m plus 2 into square root of 1 plus m square is equal to minus square root of 1 plus m square. This is. Now, this will indicate that 9m square is equal to 1 plus 9m square is equal to 1 plus m square, or m is equal to m square is equal to 1 by 8, or m is equal to 1 by 2 root 2 plus or minus 1 by 2 root 2. So, common tangent among them, common tangent is y is equal to 1 by 2 root 2 into mx x plus 2 into square root of 1 plus m square means 1 by 8. So, that is 1 by 2 root 2 into x plus 2 into 3 by 2 root 2. 2 into 3 by 2 root 2. So, that means you will have 2 root y, you can write that is 2 root y is equal to x plus 6. 2 root y is equal to x plus 6 or x minus 2 root y plus 6 is equal to 0. Now, you can see one of the options x minus 2 root y plus 2 root y is equal to 6, 2 root y is equal to 6 or minus is equal to 6. So, option is option number 4. Option number 4 itself. This is a good problem. Number 11. A is a point on the circle x square plus y square is equal to 2a square. Through A, two tangents are drawn to the circle x square plus y square is equal to a square. Whose points of contact are B and C, As A moves on, the circle x square plus y square is equal to 2a square, then the locus of the center, the locus of the circumcenter of triangle ABC is given number 1 x square plus y square is equal to a square by 4, 2 x square plus y square is equal to a square by 2, 3 x square minus y square is equal to a square by 2, and 4 x square plus y square is equal to 3a square. Now, you are given that this one, outer circle and C1 and C2. For both circles, the center is a horizon. Now, what he has taken is he has taken a point A on the outer circle and drawn tangents to the inner circle, so that the points of contact are at B and C. Now, as A moves on the circle, this BC will change. A takes positions on the outer circle, this BC chord it changes. That means the triangle changes. But every triangle will have circumcenter, and the locus of that circumcenter he is asking. Okay, right. Here the thing is, please see. Here very important, we know that they test all the knowledge. We know that the locus, the director circle, that is locus of the intersection of perpendicular tangents is the circle with the same center. We know that the director circle is a circle that is the locus of a circle. Of a circle is the circle having the same center, and radius is root 2 times the radius of the given circle. So, here C1 is equal to x square plus y square is equal to 2a square, and C2 is x square plus y square is equal to a square. So, that they have the same center, 0, 0, but the radius of C1 is root 2 times. C1 is root 2a, which is root 2 times the radius of a. So, that means, so therefore, a lies on the director circle. Director circle of x square plus y square is equal to a square. In fact, C1 is the director circle. In fact, C1 is the director circle of C2. So, therefore, angle BAC is equal to 90 degrees, because the director circle is the locus of the point of intersection of perpendicular tangents to the given circle. So, that means triangle BAC is right angled BAC is a right angled, so that the circumcenter, its circumcenter is the midpoint of the hypotenuse BC. So, this is right. Now, let A is equal to x1 y1, so that x1 square plus y1 square is equal to 2a square, number 1. Now, let MHK be the midpoint of BC, right. Now, you know that BC is the chord of contact, of A with respect to C2. Let MHK midpoint of BC, and it is also is the midpoint of OA. So, therefore, H is equal to x1 plus 0 by 2 and k is equal to y1 plus 0 by 2, or that is x1 is equal to 2h and y1 is equal to 2k. So, therefore, but now we know that 2a square is equal to x1 square plus y1 square, and that is 4 into h square plus k square. H square plus k square. So, therefore, h square plus k square is equal to a square by 2. So, therefore, locus. Therefore, the locus is x square plus y square is equal to a square by 2. See, please, once again I am explaining this one. This A is on the director circle. So, x1 square is, this is x1 y1, x1 square plus y1 square is equal to 2a square. Now, if you join A to the origin, that is center, then it will cut BC in the midpoint, which is the circumcenter, of the triangle ABC. So, OA midpoint is, we are supposing that M is equal to HK. So, HK is the midpoint of OA. So, therefore, what H is equal to x1 plus 0 by 2 and k is equal to y1 plus 0 by 2. But that is x1 is 2h and y1 is equal to 2k. But you are given that x1, y1 is lying on the outer circle, x1 square plus y1 square is equal to a square, which you have already mentioned as number 1. So, 2a square is equal to x1 square plus y1 square, but that is 4 into h square plus k square. So, h square plus k square is equal to a square by 2. So, the locus of M is simply x square plus y square is equal to a square by 2 itself. Problem number 12. ABCD is a rectangle. A circle passing through C touches the sides AB and AD at M and N respectively. If the distance of the chord MN from the vertex C is 5 units, then the area of ABCD is number 1 25 square units, 2 50 square units, 3 75 square units, and 4 100 square units. It passes through A, B, C, D. So, this is M and this is N. So, Mn chord. And the distance of this Mn from the vertex C is 5 units. So, with this hypothesis, you have to find the area of the rectangle, ABCD. Okay. Now, what you can take is, take A as origin, and so that I will write AM is so that, and A as origin, and AM is equal to some x1 a comma 0, you can write it is, or I will use the same figures. And you know that the radius of this circle will be R, the center is R comma R, and it is become by the property of the rectangles. Take A as origin, so that if R is the radius of the circle, then its center is R comma R. So, therefore, Therefore, equation of Mn, equation of the chord Mn is x by r plus y by r is equal to 1 or x plus y is equal to r. So, that is number 1. Now, you can take, now let AB is equal to A and AD is equal to B, so that the vertex is A comma B. The vertex is A comma B itself. Okay? Right. Now, equation of the chord you got this. Now, this. So, therefore, circle now, circle equation is x minus r whole square plus y minus r whole square is equal to r square, is equal to r square. That is circle equation. Since CAB lies on the circle, the circle, we have A minus r whole square plus B minus r whole square is equal to r square. Now, 5 is equal to distance of C from the chord A, chord Mn. So, that is equal to, this is not A plus B by root 2, 1 square plus 1 square by root 2 minus r. Distance of 5, distance of C from the chord AB is Mn, but Cmn is A plus B by root 2. No. Just wait. That is distance Mn equation is this. So, A plus B minus R by root 2. Now, expand it. This is by 1, reference number 1 itself. ఈ 2 ఇటు వెళ్ళిపోతుంది కదా, 25, 2 into 25 is equal to A plus B minus R whole square, that is A square plus B square plus R square plus 2AB minus 2AR minus 2BR minus 2BR. So, this is nothing but A minus R whole square plus B minus R whole square minus R square plus 2AB plus 2AB, but this is 0 by 2, that is 0 by 2. So, therefore, what you get is 2AB is equal to 50 or AB is equal to 25, but AB means length and breadth. A is the length and B is the breadth of the rectangle we have taken. So, that means AB is nothing but the area of the rectangle, area of the rectangle. So, because this is A and this is B, AB. So, therefore, area of the rectangle is equal to 25, which is 5 square. And I am giving you a very good one, generalized result. If the distance of C from the chord AB is P units, then the area of the rectangle is P square. Area of the rectangle is P square units, General. Here I have given 5, so 25. If you take 10, you will get 10 square. If you take p square you will get. So, in general, please remember that is, in this problem, the area of the rectangle only depends on the distance of the chord Mn from the vertex C itself. If the distance is p units, then the area is p square units. Problem 13. S naught is equal to x square plus y square plus 4x minus 2 root y plus c is equal to 0. S1 is equal to 0 is the director circle, S1 equal to 0, and S1 is equal to 0 is the director circle of S2 is equal to 0, and so on. Sn plus 1 equal to 0 is the director circle of Sn equal to 0. Then the sum of all the radii, sum of the radii of all these circles, is number 1, 8 root 2, 2, 6 root 2, 3, 4 root 2, and 4, 2 root 2. Right? Now come on. The solution is, this is algebraic one, and it is known that, it's a very important property I told you, it is known that the radius of the director circle of a given circle is root 2 times the radius of the given circle. Okay. So, therefore, if A, A1, A2, A3, etc., AN plus 1, etc., are the radii of S0 equal to 0, S1 is equal to 0, S2 is equal to 0, etc., then I think something is, if the sum of is, just I am writing, then the sum of the radii of all the circles, if the sum of the radii of all the circles is 2, then C is equal to, this is the question, then C is equal to, okay, there is a correction is there. If the sum of the radii of all these circles is 2, then C is equal to 2. Right. So, therefore, the radii are A by root 2, A by 2, A by 2 root 2, and A by 4, etc., so that their sum is equal to, the sum is 2 is equal to A by 1 minus 1 by root 2, A by 1 minus 1 by root 2, and this is root 2A by root 2 minus 1, root 2A by root 2 minus 1. Therefore, A is equal to, what you get is root 2A, 2 into root 2 minus 1 A is equal to 2 into root 2 minus 1 by root 2. By root 2. Root 2 minus 1 by root 2. So, this is A value. But A square is equal to A square is equal to 6 minus C. So, therefore, 6 minus C is equal to, you can write 6 minus C is equal to 2 means 6 minus 4 root 2. 6 minus C is equal to 6 minus. So, therefore, C is equal to 4 root 2. C is equal to 4 root 2. So, that is the answer is option number 3. Option number 3 itself. So, here the main objective is simply the director circle radius is root 2 times the radius of the original circle. That is the concept only. So, from this is the sum to infinity of a geometrical progression. So, 2 is equal to A by 1 minus 1 by root 2 is equal to this one. But A is the radius is not, but radius is simply 6 minus C. Because radius of the circle is simply 2 square plus 2 minus C. So, that is 6 minus C. Tangent at any point, tangent at any point on the circle x square plus y square is equal to a square meets the circle x square plus y square is equal to b square in P and Q. In P and Q. If the tangents drawn at P and Q, tangents drawn at P and Q to the circle x square plus y square is equal to b square meet in P and Q to the circle x square plus y square are at right angles. Then 1 b square is equal to 2a square, 2 a square is equal to 2b square, 3 b square is equal to 3a square, or 4 a square is equal to 3b square. And of course, by hypothesis b is greater than a, because the tangent drawn at any point for the inner circle meets the outer circle in the P and Q. Now, at this point, the tangents also drawn to the outer circle. So, what he asked is tangent drawn at P and Q to the circle x square plus y square is equal to b square, or at right angles. Then this is 90 degrees. That is. So, the relation between these. All right. So, actually, okay. Now, you know that by hypothesis solution, by hypothesis, so B is greater than A. B is greater than A. Now, let S is equal to x square plus y square minus a square equal to 0, and S dash is equal to x square plus y square minus b square equal to 0. THK be the intersection of the tangents drawn at P and Q of S is equal to 0, intersection of the tangents drawn at P and Q of S dash is equal to 0. Okay, right. So, therefore, what happens is, therefore, THK is the chord of contact. Chord of contact. THK is the chord of contact of S is equal to 0. Is the chord of contact of S is equal to 0. Right. So that the equation of PQ, is Hx plus Ky minus A square is equal to 0. Hx plus Ky minus A square equal to 0. A square equal to 0. This is chord of contact. So, therefore, PQ touches circle S is equal to 0 if and only if modulus of 0 plus 0 minus B square by square root of 1 plus 1 is equal to A. So, that is if and only if B square is equal to A root 2. B square is equal to A root 2 square root of H square plus K square. H square plus K square is equal to A. So, therefore, B to the power of 4 is equal to A square into H square plus K square. But that A square is equal to 2B square, since THK lies on the director circle of S dash equal to 0. So, therefore, you will get B square is equal to A square. Answer is option number 1 itself. Another problem 15. The vertices of an equilateral triangle are two vertices of a triangle are B minus 1 comma 0 and C 1 comma 0, and the third vertex A lies above the x-axis, because you know that for any two vertices you will get two triangles. A lies above the x-axis. Then the equation of the circumcircle, and the equation of the circumcircle of the triangle is 1 x square plus y square minus 2y minus root 3 equal to 0, 2 root 3 into x square plus y square minus 2y minus root 3 is equal to 0, 3 into x square plus y square minus 2y minus 3 equal to 0, 4 2 into x square plus y square minus 2y minus 3 is equal to 0. Right. Now, please carefully see, I am drawing the diagram, and you are given that B minus 1 0 and C plus 1 0. So, these 2 points are on the x-axis, for which the y-axis is the perpendicular bisector. And the third point C lies, the third vertex lies above the x-axis and it is the equilateral triangle. So, therefore, the third vertex must lie on the positive x-axis, because above the right. So, now clearly the third vertex lies on the positive y-axis, so that we can take A is equal to some 0 comma k itself, right. And for an equilateral triangle, the circumcenter is equal to centroid. So, that is what you get is 0 plus minus 1 plus minus 1 0, and k plus 0 plus 0 k by 3 itself, right. So, that is this is circumcenter somewhere 0 comma k by 3. So, now if this is k, is not right, and this is 60, that is 60, and if you take that is 30 and this is 30, because equilateral triangle 30 30 60. Okay. Now, if you take tan 60 value, you know that is root 3, but that value is tan 60 is k, AO, k by BO means 1, BO means 1. So, therefore, implies k is equal to root 3. Right, k is equal to root 3. So, center is equal to 0 comma k is equal to root 3, which is 1 by root 3. So, therefore, equation of the circumcircle, equation of the circumcircle is center is 1 by root 3 and radius, I will write, and radius is equal to square root of 1 square plus 1 by 3, which is equal to 2 by root 3, which is equal to 2 by root 3. So, equation circumcircle is x minus 0 whole square plus y minus 1 by root 3 whole square is equal to 4 by 3, or that is x square plus y square minus 2y by root 3 minus 2y by root 3 plus 1 by 3 is equal to 4 by 3. is equal to 4 by 3 minus 2y by root 3. So, that implies root 3 into x square plus y square minus 2y, 1 by root 3 minus 1, minus root 3, minus root 3 is equal to 0, is equal to 0. So, that is the equation of the circumcircle of the triangle ABC. And what is the option? Root 3 into x square plus y square minus 2y minus root. Option number 2. Answer is option number 2. See here, the only thing is observing that A lies on the y-axis, because this is the perpendicular bisector of BC. Y-axis is the perpendicular bisector of BC. So, A must lie on the perpendicular bisector. So, therefore, A is of the form 0, K. Now, for an equilateral triangle, centroid, circumcenter, incenter, orthocenter, all are same. So, therefore, circumcenter is nothing but the centroid. Centroid is the average of the coordinates of the 3 vertices. So, centroid is 0, plus 0, 0, minus 1, plus 1 by 3. So, it is 0. K plus 0, plus 0 by 3. So, K by 3. So, this is the center. And radius is simply 2 by root 3.
స్టాఫ్ సెలక్షన్ కమిషన్ CGL CHSL పూర్తి సిలబస్ ఇప్పుడు మీ TSAT నెట్వర్క్ లో లభ్యం. జనరల్ ఇంగ్లీష్, ఇంటెలిజెన్స్, అవేర్నెస్, ఆప్టిట్యూడ్లతో పాటు స్టాటిస్టిక్స్ సబ్జెక్ట్ లో క్లాసెస్ వినండి, మాక్ టెస్ట్ లో పాల్గొనండి, గవర్నమెంట్ జాబ్ పొందండి. మరిన్ని వివరాల కోసం www.tsat.
కరెంట్ అఫైర్స్ 2020 డిసెంబర్